Hi guys, Bono Hair here. Today we're gonna show how to do texture and perming on men's hair systems. Use to end papers with tension to make sure all hair ends are straight. Once everything goes in the same direction on the ends, you can roll down on the scalp. Use straight rods instead of concave ones to create even curl patterns from scalp to ends. Before applying the perm solution, use a generous amount of hair conditioner to protect the bleached hairline. Flip the hair system upside down to avoid perm agent soaking the base. For hair length, we usually make a 1 cm allowance for adjustment. Remove any imperfect loose thread and cut off the extra front lace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in other hair system topics, why not let us know in the comment? See you next time.